चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषाय शून्यवादी पाशातदेशतारिणे जयो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. You know, somebody brought out a point and they say that Chinese people, we want to grow vegetables on moon. And it's so interesting. In fact, Prabhupada, if he would have brought such a news, he would have laughed at that. Why he will laugh at that? That is the reason. Because the opportunity is there for us in human form of life. Whatever has been given, all the energies that have been given, all the faculty that has been given, that's for only one purpose, to realize God. We discussed this point previously. Everything has a functionality. Just like this mic has a functionality, it has a purpose. When I look at the mic, I immediately think about for what I can use it best. You know, we can use it as a paperweight also, but that's not the best use. You know, it has the capacity to be used for something, like the way we are using, or the camera. It can also be used in so many ways, but it can be used for recording. The same way, the human body, you know, we can use it like animals if you want. You can do that. But the best use of human body is to realize God. The whole faculty, so much intelligence, understanding. The dog, you can see, everybody can see every morning, running on the road. And what is his meditation? Where is food? Where is food? Where is food? Where is food? And after he gets food, what is the second meditation? You know, where is she-dog? Where to sleep now? Where to mate? And how to defend myself? You bark. So you can also, if you want, you can pull yourself down to that level and just do that. But you have an opportunity in human form of life to realize God. And that is the privilege. That's why, that is what Nārada says. That is Rishabhadeva says. Nayam deh bhajam loke kashtana kaman arte vidbhujage tapodivya putrikaye na sattam shuddhe dasmat brahma saukam tvanantam. He says the heart will be purified. And you can Brahma Saukya, you can understand God, you can attain all spiritual happiness. But provided what do? Tapodivya. You do some tapasya. And don't waste your time. Nayam deh bhajam loke. The body that you got in human form of life, please don't waste it for sense gratification. Kashtana kaman arte vidbhujami. The pigs also get it. So it's a very nice point. Nārada is telling, don't waste your time in these things. So Rishabhadeva said. So the same way, so what is the tapasya we can do? Prabhupada says the first thing is hear. Just hear. Hear about Krishna. We can hear, there are so many people speaking, but they should not be changing the meaning. Therefore it should be in Guru Parampara. Hear from a devotee about Krishna. Then what is going to happen? By hearing, you can realize God. Just by that activity. Most powerful of the 9 angas or devotion service is shouting, hear. But because we are conditioned souls and we cannot hear all the day, therefore we have to engage ourselves in some practical service to the Lord whole day. So that's how it has been organized. But instead of focusing ourselves in realizing God, what do? We want to go to moon and grow vegetables. So we want to go to moon. Even by common sense, on earth there is shortage of food. Why don't you grow here? You go to bring that vegetable from there. Why don't you grow here? Here so many vacant lands are lying. Nobody is interested to grow. It's like in India. There is so much population. Some parts of the world we can know enough land is there. You can put industries also, you can have agriculture also. Here there's so much population. So there is scarcity of land. And the government is busy acquiring more and more land, more industry. You need nuts and bolts. You need nuts and bolts. This is the brain we have. And then, and if you want to go to moon and we want to grow vegetables. How foolish. Prabhupada was once brought, so there's something similar. Prabhupada said, why they want to do all this? Prabhupada said, they are very curious to know what's going on there. Prabhupada said, childish curiosity. Please mark this point. Childish curiosity. Where is the time we have? We do not know how much time we have. None of us know. We may have 60 years, 20 years, 10 years. Nobody knows. And within this time, therefore, Bhagavatam says, Labdhava, so rare to get this form, you got this form. Bahu sambhavante, after many births you get this form. What do? Anumrityaya, tunam yatet, quickly endeavor, before you attain death, before death comes, quickly endeavor. And what is going to happen? What do you want to do? Quickly endeavor. And for what? Quickly endeavor. Attain self-realization. Before the death comes. Very rare to get this human form of life. The functionality of this form is to attain God. To understand God, to realize God, to love God. That is what it is this form meant for. But instead of putting our energy there, we are busy in how to grow vegetables. That is the modern civilization. All the energy of the conditioned soul is sapped. Sapped. Previously life was so simple actually. It is not that we people are foolish. That the thing now we have advanced. No, sir. It's not the people who are foolish, but they didn't want to waste it. As per the Vedic civilization, we don't see Veda. Whenever the description of the cities is there, recently somebody was joking. China has made a passport, and in that passport they're printing all the practically lands in the world possible nearby there. And what is the history? 200 years ago, Chinese that empire, this country was within us. 300 years ago, 100 years ago, that island was also inside. They are giving all those. So yes, we can also give. 5,000 years ago, whole earth was ruled by India. 5,000 years ago. Whole earth was ruled by India. So we can say all parts of the world, please come. We can put world atlas there. So anyway, so that is not our, so what is people doing? All the time, they're busy with all this kind of things. And they sap their valuable energy. Valuable energy is sapped. Because the whole planet belongs to the Lord. Neither India's property, neither China's, nor America, nothing. Whole world, Bhagavad Gita, Krishna declares, Sarvaloka Maheshwara. Whole earth belongs to Krishna. So therefore, he is saying, if we accept this fact, then all over. Where is this all so-called fight? This is mine, this is where is so-called fight? Just like in India, there is a reorganization of states going on. There is not so much fight. It's okay. We have done it so many times. More states will come up. But why this fight is not happening? Because nobody thinks in this way. Now we are this state, now this property is mine now. It's just an organizational structure. This state is so big, we have to split it. It is easy to organize, easy to manage. That's all. When you accept this fact, the whole world belongs to the Lord, that's it. Everything becomes peaceful. There is no more any fight. One flag. Krishna flag. But no, we want to sit on the top of mountains like India and Pakistan, and you want to fight. So much time is wasted in that. Now India is wants to send a navy to South China Sea. Now our interest is there. Yeah, keep fighting. And all the energy of people will go in fighting, other people in hearing about that or having anxiety about that. That's it. Okay, so human life should not be wasted. And Nārada is saying, in fact, this is a statement by Maitreya to Vidura, that if you hear this narration of Puranjana spoken by Nārada, and just by hearing this narration, the Nārada came looking Varishmat or Prachina Varisha. If you hear this narration, what is going to happen? You will achieve complete self-realization. So human life, time should be saved for this purpose, if I can hear. Okay? And if I can somehow, by negative we can kill by positive. Therefore say by bhajana kriya, anartha nivritti happens. If we can put some positive energy into bhajana kriya, into glorification of the Lord, we can put some energy. What happens next? Anartha nivritti. All unwanted things from our heart are vanishing. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.